Why we started Turf Product Solutions, the story behind the brand. If you've been following us for a while, you've probably noticed something. Over the last year, Turf Product Solutions has absolutely exploded. Today, we're working with companies like Petco, Ace Hardware, Walmart, Oracle, and Amazon, and more. We've become the number one battery powered artificial turf sweeper in the United States, and our turf maintenance products are reaching thousands of homeowners, installers, pet facilities, schools, and sports complexes across the country. But this didn't happen overnight. And honestly, it didn't even start because we wanted to create another product company. Definitely not. It started because we were frustrated. It started over 20 years ago. I've been in the artificial turf industry for over 2 decades. Not as someone selling products, not as someone sitting behind a desk. I've been out there actually on my hands and knees installing the turf, being part of building sports fields, creating backyard putting greens, designing pit areas, working on commercial properties, solving problems that customers actually experience every single day. Over those 20 plus years, one thing became incredibly obvious. The installation industry had advanced, the grass had advanced, the technology had advanced, but the maintenance side of the artificial turf had been left behind. People were spending or are spending thousands of dollars on their turf, even hundreds of thousands of dollars on their turf. And there I guess the biggest thing was then they were told you're basically done. It's one of these things like set it and forget it. But you know, if you've been told it doesn't require maintenance, that couldn't be further from the truth. Artificial turf absolutely requires maintenance if you want it to perform like it was designed. I'm sure you've seen the fibers lay over, debris build up. Well, that's going to make the infill compact. Pet odors are going to develop. Organic matter gets trapped, and now, let's say static becomes a problem. And over time, your beautiful turf begins looking tired. The sad part is, most people weren't maintaining their turf because they didn't have the right equipment, or worse, they were using products that were never designed for artificial turf in the first place. We knew here at Turf Product Solutions there had to be a better way. As installers, we saw these problems every day. Customers, clients would call us asking, what cleaner should I use? What broom out there actually works? How do I get rid of my pet odor? Hey, my sports field has, or my playground has static electricity. How do we remove it? What keeps my turf looking brand new? And honestly, we didn't have a great answer. There simply wasn't products on the market that we felt confident recommending. There were plenty of cleaners. There are plenty of ways to brush your turf. And plenty of companies making claims. But very few products had actually been designed by people who spend their lives working on or in artificial turf. So we made a decision. Instead of waiting for someone else to solve the problem, we decided to build the products ourselves. We didn't want average, by no means. When we started Turf Product Solutions, our goal wasn't to make another cleaner. It wasn't to make another broom. It wasn't to slap our logo on someone else's product. Our goal was much, much bigger. We wanted to create an entire ecosystem of professional maintenance products that actually solved real world problems for your artificial turf. Every product starts with one simple question: what problems are installers and homeowners dealing with every day? Then we're going to engineer the solution. It's not going to be based on marketing, it's going to be based on experience. So why are our products different? This is probably the biggest thing that separates us from almost everyone else. We aren't a chemical company trying to get into turf. We aren't a hardware company trying to sell brooms. We're artificial turf professionals. We've spent decades crawling around job sites. We've repaired seams. We've rebuilt sports fields. I mean, look at my knuckles. Look at these hands. That's from getting down on the turf. We've cleaned the pet facilities. And we've restored worn out turf. We've seen what works, and we've also seen what fails. That experience goes into every product we release. When we design something, it has to perform in the real world. Because if it doesn't, we're the ones who have to answer for it. The Turf Power Suite. One of our biggest successes has been the Turf Power Suite. We built it because we knew homeowners and professionals needed a battery-powered machine that actually groomed artificial turf correctly. Not a leaf blower, not a shop broom, not some modified lawn tool. A machine specifically designed for artificial turf. And we don't want one with a cord because you don't want that cord getting drug around your pool. Today, the Turf Power Sweep has become the number one battery-powered artificial turf sweeper in the United States. And that is something we're incredibly proud of. But more importantly, it's helping thousands of people extend the life of their investment. Then we knew we had to create a cleaner. The cleaner that changed everything. Turf Animal. I'll be honest. This has probably been one of our biggest educational challenges. The artificial turf cleaner market is flooded with products. Some smell good. Some disinfect. Some, or most, just mask the odors. And some contain harsh chemicals. Many aren't simply designed for artificial turf at all. People naturally assume a cleaner is a cleaner. I'm here to tell you it isn't. Artificial turf is unique. Pet waste gets deep into the infill. Organic material breaks down. Odors are going to develop below the surface. Simply spraying perfume on top doesn't solve anything. That's why we built the Turf Animal. Once people actually try it, everything changes. The feedback on this product has been incredible. Customers start realizing the difference immediately. And then, the installers begin recommending it. Pet facilities reorder it. Schools reorder it. Homeowners become repeat customers. That's when you know you've built something that actually works. The biggest hurdle isn't convincing people after they've used it. The biggest hurdle is simply getting them to try it for the first time. Once they do, the product speaks for itself. The momentum has been incredible. Over the last year, we've watched something amazing happen. Our products are now gaining national attention. We're working with Petco, Ace Hardware, Walmart, Oracle, and Amazon. Plus, there's a few in the works also. But every one of these relationships represents another opportunity to educate people about proper artificial turf maintenance. And we're really just getting started. This is bigger than selling products. People sometimes ask us, what business are you really in? The answer surprises them. We're not in the broom business. We're not in the cleaner business. We're in the education business. Because when people understand how artificial turf actually works, they naturally make better decisions. They then protect their investment. Their turf lasts longer. It's just like changing oil in a car, you know? So their kids, they have a cleaner place to play. Their pets have a healthier environment. And the sports fields, they stay safer. And this makes it where installers receive fewer warranty calls. So this way it's a win-win for everyone. And let me tell you, we still have so much coming. One thing I can promise you, we're nowhere close to finished. Our team has multiple products currently in development. Some are designed for homeowners. Some are designed for professional installers. And some are designed specifically for sports fields and commercial maintenance. Every new product follows the same philosophy, though. Solve real problems. Make maintenance easier. Help artificial turf perform the way it was engineered to perform. Thank you. None of this happens without you. Every customer, every installer, every dealer, every distributor, and every review. Even the phone calls. And don't be afraid to suggest something. Every suggestion helps. You've helped shape this company. You've helped us improve. You've helped us build better products. And for that, thank you. Our mission is simple. At Turf Product Solutions, we're not trying to become the biggest company. We're trying to become the most trusted name in artificial turf maintenance. We believe that starts with experience. It starts with education. Then it starts with building products that we would proudly use ourselves. Because at the end of the day, we're not outsiders looking into this industry. We're installers. We're contractors. We are turf professionals. We've actually lived these problems. Now, we're building the solutions. And this is only the beginning. If you've enjoyed following our journey this past year, make sure to subscribe because we've got a lot of exciting things coming. We'll be sharing product development, behind the scenes footage, installation tips, maintenance education, and updates as Turf Product Solutions continues to grow. So, thanks for watching. Thank you for believing in what we're building. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.